Oh my goodness, it is cold this morning. It's in the 20s. I mean, like, it may be 20. I don't know. He's breaking ice on the waters. Greg's already come out to feed and everything, but we got new animals that I'm about to show you. We've had them a couple of days, and it's Cayuga ducks. We found Cassie found someone local selling Cayuga ducks, and so I was gonna buy 2 or 3 of them, and the woman talked me into buying all 5 of them. So I'm gonna let them out and let you see them. I don't know if they're the best of genetics. They didn't look real green. They may be molting. I mean, I don't know. A lot of things could be going on. Go ahead and shut that gate though. I don't know what to expect. She says they fly. I did not know they could fly, but this is their first time coming out. They spent 2 days in here, and so let's see how they react to it. Go ahead and move that so that I can get them out. Oh, it's muddy in here. Come on out, guys. Why is it all muddy in there?
Because they get in the water and it goes out.
Yeah, but that's a lot. And it didn't rain. Okay, yeah, I see some green on them. Maybe if we give them some space, they'll come out. He's going to get the water and bring it out. Maybe that will encourage them to come out. They really like the water. They do play in it. It didn't rain. It hasn't rained in a couple of days, a few days. So that's... it's pretty nasty. So like I was saying, they have spent a couple of nights and a couple of days in that hoop coop, and hopefully they won't fly away. We've got the traps here, just in case there is still a predator out. We did end up catching 2 raccoons. If you didn't see that video, we did tell you we caught 2 different raccoons, and haven't seen anything since then. But we've got the 2 traps set right here by the hoop coops, just in case something comes over, maybe it'll get trapped before it actually gets to the birds. We do need to like fortify this hoop coop, which may be later today or another day. It is really cold right now. Greg's gonna go around and see if he can't scare them out.
Let's go.
No, they went to the other side.
Let's go.
They're like, no, we're good. We're going to the other side. Maybe. They didn't come out that time, did they? Other side.
Out.
They don't want to come out.
This.
Hey, I'll come out there. Oh, you're going to come in and get in? Greg, that's muddy.
Alright, let's go. Come on.
They better not come out flying. Yeah, it's just getting muddy in there. I mean, you're just making a mess. Get that brick out, and let's just let them come on out on their own. We'll get out of here and see if they come out. Let's go. Let's see if they come out. Oh, they're all muddy. Of course, they were muddy when we got them because she has a pull for them. Okay. Go ahead and lock that. Straight to the water. Oh yeah, there's some green on there.
One closest to you is the drake over there.
So there are 4 hens and 1 drake in there. Plus I still have Mike inside. It's been super cold at night, and he's been in there in a room where we've had, you know, temperature control because we had the incubator in there and we had the tomato plants in there. So I don't wait till it's not getting down below freezing before I put Mike out. So I had 4 Cayuga duck eggs that I got from Rachel and Kevin at Hidden Heights Farm, and 3 were fertilized. It looks like 2 are still growing. 1 might have quit, but which we'll look at later this evening. But it looks like I might have 2 more hatched from their farm. So I've got more cayugas than I know what to do with right now. Okay, that one on the left here just got a drink of water. That's the drake. I don't see a drake feather, but I know it is a drake because of the way he's quacking. The boys sound different from the girls. And they look like they're in pretty rough shape. I mean, as far as their feathers go. They look healthy. They just look like they're molting or something. Or maybe it's just from being super muddy. I mean, I don't know really what conditions they came from, but they look healthy, you know, just looking kind of rough in the feather area. So go ahead and get a little bit of cattle cubes, and we're going to try to talk the cows into coming to the back gate back there. Okay. Let's get the bull in the gate. Once we get the bull in the gate, whether there's cows in there or not, let's close it, and then we'll bring them all up this way. Okay. We can bring the bull in. If the cows come in, we can just push them back out the other gate.
Right.
Come on. Here they come. What's up, Jake? Good boy. Man, it's heavy. Y'all go on. Go on. Go on. Up. Get out of here. You kidding me? He's gonna hide behind the cows.
Try and push him that way.
Go on, Jake. Good boy. Go on. There you go. He feels cheated. Okay, we gotta feed them and him.
Jake. All by your own.
What's up, buddy? What's up, Jake? Gonna miss you, buddy. You gonna let me pet you? You gonna let me pet you? Good boy. That's a good boy. That went a lot more smoothly than I thought it would. So we got him up here. Friends will be here in a few hours to pick him up. When do the turkeys usually lay?
Normally in the morning.
No babies yet. You gonna give us some babies soon? Come here, let me feel. Ribs. Hi, Caleb. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Gotta see everybody walk. You're super big, aren't you? And you're big. They don't want to be separated. He gots to go. He's got to go. You gonna be a good boy? No. He's not gonna be a good boy. He's gonna be bad, aren't you? Oh, that's rude. They're getting excited about the hay.
Greg, I bet you could push from right here.
Is that the front one? Greg, is that the front one?
Yes.
Y'all aren't gonna get that.
Y'all move the what I'm on. I'm about to go backwards.
Hey, I'm gonna get on top of it.
This is funny. Oh, they're moving it. Because unless it's rolling downhill, Greg cannot push it unless I'm helping him. So these little boys are strong, aren't they?
They are wrestling.
Yeah, wrestling. Because that's not, well, it's kind of going downhill, but not a lot. Cows. Look at this. Just right there. But you got to open it.
Hand, this hand here.
That's one of Dad's good ones. And you don't like stabbing stuff.
Oh, like that.
Yo, he's strong.
Hey.
Where?
Come out. So you don't get trapped in there. Just need you to bring here.
All this green grass, and they want that hay. I guess they don't need a knife.
I got it. This side.
Those cows are so funny.
It's a present. Present.
You open them up a present?
Yeah, it's a huge present.
No, stop. Move.
Never mind, Curtis.
Yeah.
Whoa.
You're supposed to have babies in
Go through
a
the fence
couple
there.
weeks and they're jumping around.
Or they could have babies in a couple of weeks.
Can he go through the barbed wire?
Why not?
I
Wait,
was
through
just
it.
asking if he could or not.
Through it.
If he's allowed to.
He should fit.
I don't want to get scratched.
Oh, well, go around this way
I
then.
did.
Don't get scratched.
Turn him your way. Your way. There we go.
Lay back. Yes.
Open it and see. What's that? Yeah, right there is fine. A little bit more back. Bring him back a little bit. Yeah. Okay.
Everybody's got to stay.
Yeah, but he can. Somebody have to stand there.
I'll stand there. Come on, Jake.
Go on, Jake. Go and close the gate.
Because this, you leave this
Come,
open,
Jake.
the door's won't shut.
Just you're all right, Savannah. Just close the gate. I'll come over there.
Come on, Jake. This way. Okay, buddy.
Yep. Go on.
You gonna be easy and loud?
Yeah. Go on. Good boy. Psst.
Yep.
Hey, 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 hey.
Yep.
Yeah. Good boy, Jake.
Hey, let him get used to it.
Let's stay there, Greg.
Oh, 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 oh.
Hep, hep, hep. Hey.
Turn around. Go on. Go on. Get in. You're good. Get in there, buddy. Oh, get your big foot up.
Good.
You gotta get the bomb. You gotta get the bomb.
Woohoo! As you guys saw, Jake, the bull, is gone. He was not our bull. He was only here to breed with the cows, and they could start calving within the next few weeks, so it was time to get him out of here. He went back to his home. It's kind of a bittersweet situation. We enjoyed him while he was here. He is a really mild-mannered bull. He was a good bull, but he is going back to his house, which, you know, it's he could have gone to the processor, but that's not what they have planned for him. They're keeping him for breeding purposes. You can go see him over at Living in Abundant Grace Homestead. She has a channel. She hasn't been posting a whole lot. She's been really busy, but hopefully she'll start posting. You will see him over there, though, if you want to go check him out over there. I'll leave a link in the description below. Greg just came in from feeding the turkeys and chickens and ducks, and he brought in some eggs, and he just brought in the largest chicken egg I have ever seen. I'll show you what we've got. Okay, here are some of the eggs that we usually get. Of course, this is the duck egg, and it's new because we just got those ducks. But there's the chicken eggs back there, duck egg, and 2 turkey eggs. But here is a chicken egg that Greg brought in that is bigger than either one of the turkey eggs. I do not know how that happened, but I've not seen one that big before. Question is answered. It's just 2 yolks. We'll give this to Caleb. Well, that's the dishwasher. We'll give this to Caleb, and he will be happy to have that.
Is that 3 yolks?
No, it's 2. You crack the yolk.
Oh.